Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. After a heavy rain, Timo steps onto a mud-covered forest trail. With each step, his feet sink deep into the ground. Timo struggles to lift his feet as walking becomes slow and exhausting. A new word becomes important in this moment: impede. Impede means to slow down or block progress. Charging ahead through the mud will only drain his strength. Timo carefully moves toward the firmer ground along the edge of the trail. His steps grow steadier and lighter. He continues forward with better footing. Timo remembers that to impede means to make progress harder or slower, and that smart adjustments help him move past obstacles that stand in his way.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.